Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another house tour with Joanne. So today we are touring this magnificent five-bedroom, fully detached home located here in a well-secure estate in Lekki County Homes. All right. So I've toured this home. Trust me when I say that it ticks all the button that gives you a perfect family living. We're talking about primary living area, spacious primary living area. The kitchen is spacious, the rooms as well, and we have other minor decor that just gives you this feel of nature and truly feel like home. All right, so in a moment I'm going to be flicking my camera, showing you every detail of this magnificent home. But if you are new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and tell me what you think about this amazing home. Come and let's take a house tour. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is the environment of where this beautiful home is located. So let's step right inside. So this property is only 420 square meters. Yeah. So you can already tell, how spacious the homes are going to be. So looking at the car park space, this is quite a generous car park space. It can take up to 6 cars, right? It can take up to 6 cars, and we have greenery that's already been planted. They're still, springing up. So you see your simple architectural design over here. I love that there are a lot of glass windows and doors, enabling natural lighting and ventilation. Don't mind my voice, sorry, I have cold. Okay, so let's see the walkway before I take you right inside. So you see a lot of windows in this home. The BQ is just right here, and we have the pool on the other side. So this is the BQ. This is actually a spacious BQ. Then we still have the bathroom here. They're still working on it. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let me take you through the exterior. We'll come out the other way before we go inside. So over here, you can be your gen house. But currently, we're touring this home with solar. So when you get this home, you can add more capacity to carry, your family. So over here is where we have the pool area. So you see that this area is quite generous with space. You can set up your gazebo even in this corner. So the pool is not entirely covering, the whole space. The pool is still spacious, but I like that we still have space for your walkway and maybe set up like a family outdoor area. And I absolutely love this concept of this rock design over here. You have it all over by the pool area, so it's giving like a water fall vibe, you know. So this is what we have here for the pool area, and there's a lot of intentionality here. You have your light just right on top, so even if you are swimming when it's dark, everywhere is still bright with the lights. So this way is the last walkway that leads us to where we started from, which is the front of the home. So let's go right inside and see what we have there. Like I said earlier, I love the floor to ceiling glass windows. So stepping right here, you have your soundproof door over here. So this door is going to come with a smart lock, which is yet to be installed, which you have your Face ID, your fingerprints, and all of that. So coming into this home, first of all, you have your aesthetics design just right here, giving your home a very lovely and beautiful outlook. So over here is where you have your powder room. This is your powder room. And your vanity will be installed right here. So this property is very new in the market. So, and it's just one unit. So it's something you want to start giving me a call right now if this looks like what you want to get in a well-secured estate in Lekki County just before the Chevron toll gate. Now moving forward into the tour, you have your floor-to-ceiling TV console. That's a chandelier right there, and you have your double height ceiling as well. So this is what the family living area looks like, which I absolutely love. A lot of natural light flowing into the home, and the touch of the design, the touch of colors that was used is actually something to commend the developer about. So let me give you like a full 360 view so you can have a feel of what it looks like from each angle. So I'm trying to pull back. So this is your primary living area, and you will agree with me that this is absolutely beautiful. All right. So over here you have your glass door. It's a glass sliding door, so you can still have access to your pool from here. Okay. So you see, this is a big pool. Okay, not the regular Lagos tiny pool. I mean, if there has to be a pool, let the pool meet the standard. So you have a kitchenette right here, just before you step into the main kitchen. The main kitchen is that way. So you have your kitchen right here, and coming in, you can already see how spacious it is. If you have a large family, this is a beautiful addition. Your children, your family get to have fun in the kitchen, play around while making breakfast, having lunch, or having dinner. This is a beautiful kitchen. You have your space, you have your compartment just around here. Okay, so the island is by the middle, right? This is the island. You have your sink just embedded here as well, and you also have one right here. Your 5 burner gas cooker is already installed. Your heat extractor is right here, and your pot filler is just right here. All right. So your washing machine is also installed as well as your oven, your microwave, your double door fridge, and just a lot of compartments to give you a very nice experience for your storage in the kitchen. Going further into the tour, you have this space here where you can set up your pantry, right? You can set up your pantry just right here. And this door here is where it leads you to the backyard. Okay? So what do you think of this home so far? It's your space. Okay. So going further into the tour, we have one room downstairs, which is the visitor's room, which is just right here. And I love that the wardrobe is embedded into the wall. And here is your ensuite bathroom. You have your vanity right here. And this is your walk-in shower. So this is for the visitor's room downstairs. We have 4 rooms upstairs. So let's go right into it. So you see your staircase is laced with sensored light. So you're not in the dark while trying to climb up your home. So let's go see what it looks like upstairs. This is something new. I tour homes all the time, and I've not seen this cock piece right here. This is an amazing feature right? And to think that this is wood, like this is really wood, is very fascinating. So this is the design from this angle. What do you think? So, of course, coming upstairs, you have your secondary living area here. So you can set up your family lounge and all of that. So here you have a door that has its own balcony. So this place has a private balcony. So everybody in the family can have access to it. Now we have 4 rooms upstairs. But this space here, you can use it to set up like maybe your box room, whatever it is you want to use to set up there. Then coming here, you have 1 room. So this is your wardrobe, and this is your room. I kind of like that they separated the wardrobe from the rooms. Okay, so this is what the room looks like. And this room alone has 4 windows. Like I told you, this developer prioritized windows, natural light, ventilation, and all. So this is the ensuite bathroom for this particular room. And that's your walk-in shower. And yeah, so across this room, you have this other room right here. So this is the room with 4 windows as well. And your wardrobe is down there. Okay, this is very beautiful. It's priced at 480 million. Trust me, I've seen 480 million naira homes that you, according to my audience, are like, oh, Joanne, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's too small. I think this will convince you and not confuse you, especially when you factor in the cost of land in Lekki County home. But that aside, I'm just saying that this is a beautiful home. So over here, we have another room. Have another room here. So this room has just 2 windows, which is equally not bad. You have your wardrobe tucked in that corner, and here you have your ensuite bathroom as your walk-in shower. Amazing stuff, if you ask me. Amazing stuff. So let's go to the masters. I also wanted to show you this cockpit that is in this place as well. This is really beautiful. Okay, so this hallway leads you to the master's bed, and I absolutely love the chandelier and floor to ceiling TV console. So you have access to see what's going on downstairs, and so that door there leads you to the balcony, so anybody can have access to the balcony. And by my left is where you have your master's bed. So this is your master's bed. Try to pull back so you can see it. Quite spacious. So your TV console is already installed for you. You have your spacious master's bed. You have your closet right here. And we also have more closet this way. And this is the door to your ensuite bathroom. And immediately you come in, you see your bathtub. This is your walk-in shower. And you have 2 vanity right here for Madam and for Oga. Okay, so what do you think of this home? This home comes with an already installed inverter, but like I said, you can add, more capacity if you wish to carry more things in the home, like your AC, your fridge, and all of that. So let me know what you think of this amazing home. This is perfect for family living. 5 bedrooms, spacious. We're located in a well-secured estate. We have a lot of trees in this estate. In fact, This estate is known for trees in Lekki County homes for people who know this area. Okay. So let me know what you think of this home. And if you would like to make this your home in 2026, you want to get in contact with me so we can schedule a physical inspection. So we can get you home. Sorry, I have cold, so I'm trying to catch my breath while doing this. All right. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.